Hello everyone, let's monitor the stock price of a public company. We'll start by making a project and add the link to that stock ticker. Good. Let's select the data we're interested in from the web page. Alright, go to Integrations and create a new rule. Add a condition for the price to change. And for the action, we will select sending a message to a channel and connect Slack to our workspace. Now choose a channel to receive the alert and write the message using the data that we selected earlier. Let's trigger a test now. Great, it works. Now just save the integration and we're done.